What's up, riders? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something every sport bike lover needs to understand: Superbike ergonomics. Specifically, how they differ between track setups and road setups. Because the truth is, your posture, comfort, and even your lap time all come down to how that bike fits you. So grab your helmet. Let's break it down. The basics of Superbike ergonomics. Before we start comparing, let's get one thing straight. Ergonomics isn't just about comfort. It's about how your body interacts with the machine. Your seat position, handlebar height, peg placement, and how you move your weight. On a Superbike, ergonomics are designed to make you one with the machine, to help you control the bike with precision at high speeds, under braking, and through corners. But the setup for a racetrack and city road couldn't be more different. Track ergonomics, built for performance. Let's start with the track setup. On a race circuit, the goal is pure performance. Every angle, every millimeter matters. You'll notice the clip-on handlebars are positioned low and forward, forcing the rider into an aggressive, tucked-in posture. This reduces aerodynamic drag, keeping your body close to the tank. The foot pegs are also set high and back. That means more ground clearance in corners, so your boots don't scrape when you're leaning hard at 50, 60 degrees. The seat? It's typically higher, narrower, and firmer. Not designed for comfort, but to give the rider maximum control and easy movement side to side during cornering transitions. And when you're on the track, you're not sitting still. You're constantly shifting your weight, hanging off the bike, tucking under the windscreen on straights, and popping up under braking. The ergonomics make those movements quick and predictable. Road ergonomics, built for comfort and control. Now, switch to the road. Out here, it's not about lap times. It's about comfort, visibility, and versatility. So, ergonomics shift dramatically. The handlebars or clip-ons are placed slightly higher and wider, reducing wrist strain and opening up your chest. You're sitting a bit more upright, which gives better control at low speeds and a clearer view of traffic. The foot pegs are lower and more forward, which relaxes your knees and hips. You can ride longer without feeling cramped, and the seat is usually softer, broader, and more padded. Because, let's be real, you're more likely to encounter potholes than apexes. The middle ground. Road ergonomics are about balance, giving you sporty control when you want to push it, but enough comfort for long commutes or weekend rides. Now, here's where things get interesting. Many riders today are blurring the line between the two worlds. You've got bikes like the Yamaha R6 or the BMW S1000RR that come track-ready, but can still be tuned for road use by adjusting bar risers, seat foam, or peg kits. So, if you love carving canyons and doing the occasional track day, you can actually find that sweet spot between aggressive and ergonomic. It's all about custom fit, tuning your ergonomics for your body, your riding style, and your roads.